Hey guys, Rob here from GRAYA. Today we're at 19 Upper Cairns Terrace here in Paddington, and today we're going to be lifting in GRAYA's first plungie. Being in the inner city Paddington, you've got really tight streets. Some roads are divided in two. There's a lot of big tree branches, there's a lot of power lines, and the site behind us has all of the above. The architectural design intent for this pool was a pool that was sitting outside of ground. So when constructed on site, it proves quite expensive. Where I think Plungie is most cost effective for our builds is when we have a design which shows a pool which is out of ground. This really eliminates all the formwork and all the mess that really slows down our construction.